Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Tito Dustin. And now, hindi mga gaming laptops ang isi-shoot natin or mga monster laptops. Ang isi-shoot natin ay ito yung mga in-demand na laging ini-inquire sa atin ng mga female customers. Which is mga pink laptop and of course, mga pink peripherals. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Tingnan natin kung ano maganda at makapangit dito sa napili natin. First of all, about the pricing, no? Itong laptops pati accessories na sa akin ngayon, these are actually color pink. Pink yung laptop and then makita nyo dito, pink yung mga peripherals. And about the price, hindi sila ganun kabahalan. Kasi this two accessories and laptop na to is almost only around mga 25,000. Ngayon, sa iba, mga nasa around 30 to 35,000. This laptop is actually bagay sa mga estudyante dahil this laptop comes with the Microsoft Office and also a decent processor. Pero tara, buksan natin. Tignan natin kung ano nasa loob nito. Alright, so what's inside the box? First of all, it comes with a backpack. Every time that you're gonna purchase this, meron siyang backpack. And then, meron din siyang kasamang Microsoft Office na lifetime. Which is ideal talaga sa mga estudyante. And not just students, this is also ideal sa mga VA or even yung mga nag-work from home. Meron tayong mga printed materials dito and then another printed materials. And then we have here the charger. And also the laptop itself. Okay, slim yung laptop, the way I feel it. And tingnan nyo. Tara! It's color pink from everything. Yung pagka-pink nito, hindi siya yung pink na talagang pink na pink yung masakit sa mata. Etong pink na to, medyo mababa sa saturation niya. Now, while this one is loading, tignan naman natin tong bundle na ito. Okay, so, tignan naman natin kung anong laman nito. We have here, of course, a pink mousepad, a pink headset with a microphone on it, and we also have a pink keyboard. And then we also have here a pink headphone stand and of course a pink mouse. So, set aside na muna natin itong mga accessories. Let's talk about the laptop first, no? About the appearance. Okay, so it's color pink from everything, from the top cover, dito sa body, even dito sa ilalim. Speaking of ilalim, I could see here na this is actually the memory slot. So, upgradable. Or mamaya titingnan natin if this is already occupied or baka bakante pa. This is the intake and then the out of the fan nandito sa gilid. And about the ports, we got here the power cord, type C, an HDMI, type A, and another type C. On the other side naman, we have here Kensington lock, the audio combo jack, and an SD card. Now, let's have a quick specifications of this laptop. Now, this is already the latest Intel, which is the Intel Core 3 N355. The memory of this laptop is already 8 GB. The storage of this laptop is actually a 512 SSD, and it comes with a Microsoft Office lifetime. And the display is 1920 by 1200, so the resolution is WUXGA. By the way, this is already a Copilot enabled and yung speakers niya nandito rin sa harap. Now, let's try the camera. Camera test on this Acer, the quality is sakto lang. Hindi naman pangit, hindi ganun kagandahan. So, ayan. So, what you're hearing right now is also the audio quality coming from this Acer Aspire. Sound quality. Let's put it on the cons. Hindi ganun kagandahan ng kanya sound quality niya. Tapos sabi sa mga matatanda, tunog lata. Sorry, we're just being honest dito sa ating YouTube, no. Kakatulad na sinasabi ko, pag may maganda sasabihin namin, pag mayroong pangit sasabihin namin. Pero yun nga, I'm sorry Acer, isa sa mga pangit yung sound quality nyo. So kung magsa-sound trip kayo, talaga kailangan nyo mag-speaker or mag-headphone. Okay, so meron tayong headphone dito, susubukan natin tong mga accessories na to. And meron pala siyang camera shutter dito for privacy. Tingnan natin gaano kabigat to, ha? Hindi na masama. It is actually, it's only less than 1.2 kilograms. And tingnan nyo, medyo may pagka-aesthetic naman tong laptop na to, no? Nakikita nyo yung Acer dyan, and then merong Aspire dito. Ngayon, kung hindi ka naman pink laptop fan, don't worry dahil meron tong iba't ibang colors. Meron tayong silver and meron tayong blue na available dito sa Laptop Factory. Ang mostly ang nabebenta sa amin is yung color blue Pero yung pink kasi, ito talaga minsan hinahanap ng customers. Meron po kayong pink na laptop? Kahit anong processor ang gusto nila, basta pink na laptop, ito. Well, I think ito na yon. Kasi number 1 presyo, sobrang mura nito. Now, let's try to set up naman itong mga peripherals na meron sa atin. Tingnan natin kung magiging worth it ba ang ating pink laptop setup. So, here's the keyboard pag nakakabit sa USB. And USB Type-A is not USB Type-C, no? So, meron siyang ilaw, which is color pink. Probably it's color white yung ilaw nito, pero kasi yung skin niya is color pink. So, that's why it's illuminating color pink. And it also only comes with one color. Okay, so katulad ng sinabi ko, this is not the mechanical keyboard that you're looking for. This is actually just a normal membrane keyboard. About the weight nito, sobrang gaan din ito. Ayan. So, this keyboard is only like 400 grams. And then, ayun, hindi na babago yung color niya. But, it does the job of being a keyboard. Okay, so this is the mouse. Ang color ng it's color pink. And then, ayun, nagbabago-bago yung color niya dito. It's an RGB. And then, ayun, yung mga features niya, left and right. And then the mouse wheel. And then meron ding click dito. Okay, so pwede siya for gaming. Ito yung likod niya. The standard mouse, pero napansin ko dito, maganda yung kanyang cable. I think this is braided. And ang connection nito is also a Type-A. Of course, the mousepad. The mousepad size, just in case na gusto niyo malaman, this is actually 13.5 inch by 11.8 inch. Last but not the least, we also have here, of course, the headset. Okay, so na-notice ko, yung USB port Type-A nito ay nasa kabilang side and yung audio combo jack is nasa kabilang side. So, ibig sabihin, dito ako sasaksak ng USB-A and dito ako sasaksak ng audio combo jack. Tingnan naman natin ang sound quality na to. I'm testing the camera again. So what we're doing right now is tinatry natin i-check yung microphone kung okay yung quality, and mamaya susubukan naman natin itong quality ng headset. I-add ko lang, no, mas maganda yung microphone quality na tong Fantech na to compared dito sa laptop na to. Kanina narinig nyo parang tunog lata yung sounds natin. Probably it's not because of the speaker of this Acer. I'm sorry, masyado ako judgmental. Sorry. Ayun, so it's not because of the speaker of the Acer, it's because of the microphone receiver of this Acer laptop. Kaya pumapangit yung sound quality. Ngayon, sinubukan naman natin yung microphone nito. Okay naman yung tunog dito. So, ibig sabihin, okay ang speaker natin. Ang cons dito, yung microphone itself. Just to clarify. Okay, so this is what's underneath this Acer Light 14 na i3 variant nila. So, we got here the fan. Isa lang yung fan niya. Well, actually, sakto na yun for an i3 processor. Normally kasi, sa mga gaming laptop, yan, dalawa yung fans. Dito naman, may kita natin dito yung kanyang memory. This is currently on 8 GB. Ngayon, napansin nyo kanina dito, no? Pag in-open nyo yung part ng underneath the chassis, that's where you could replace the memory. Pwede nyong, hindi siya pwedeng dagdagan, pwede mo naman palitan. Gawin 16 or gawin 32. And then, for the storage naman, which is this one, this is the 512 SSD. Ganun din, wala siyang extra M.2 slot. Ang pwede nyo gawin, kung gusto nyo dagdagan ng storage, tatanggalin tong 512 at gawin 1 tera or more. But that's a little bit hassle kasi yung OS nyo nandito. Okay, so the speakers are here, and then we also have the battery here. And the processor is here with may kasamang heatsink. Just to sum it up, wala siyang M.2 slot. You can change the storage. Wala rin siyang extra memory slot, but you can change the memory. However, if you're gonna do that, it might void the warranty. Kasi this unit, once na nakasarado, meron siyang Acer na seal. Once na tampered yan, it will void the warranty. Okay, so if my suggestion pa rin, if you want to upgrade anything on this laptop, punta kayo sa service center. Okay, so this laptop comes with a 1-week replacement warranty from us and a 2 years Acer warranty. Now, let's proceed with the pros and the cons of this Acer Light 14. Alright, so let's start with the cons of this Acer laptop na ito. No? Ang unang cons na napansin ko dito is yung kanyang microphone. Yung microphone quality niya is sobrang pangit na akala ko yung speaker, yung pangit yung sound. Hindi pala maganda quality is yung mic quality niya. And the camera is sakto lang, hindi ganun kaganda at hindi rin naman ganun kapangitan. It's still ideal pa rin, okay pa rin if you're gonna do a Zoom meeting or video call. So the other cons na napansin ko dito, probably it's not a cons, yung color niya. Baka kasi may mga customer na ayaw ang pink, katulad ng technician namin ayaw niya ng pink. Pero don't worry, this comes with different colors. Meron pa tayo yung silver and meron din tayo na blue, which is also the same price. And isang cons na napansin ko, isa lang yung USB Type-A niya. Well, of course, nandun na tayo sa technology na mostly ang USB ports natin ay Type-C. Pero pag meron tayong mga old device katulad yung Fantech na pinakita ko, puro USB Type-A. Okay, so, and speaking of Fantech, I've already told you the pros and the cons of the Fantech. Of course, mas nakafocus tayo dito sa laptop na ito. And another cons na napansin ko dito, na ngayon ko lang napansin, hindi siya backlit keyboard. Well, it's a budget laptop. Ngayon, if this would be a backlit keyboard, baka medyo mas mahal pa yan. And probably some cons, it's not really that cons, no? Hindi na upgradable yung mga dito sa unit na to. Yung akala nating free memory slot. Uy, nakabukas pa. Okay. Yung akala nating free memory slot na akala natin bakante. Siyempre, kahit sinong customer pag nakita yung laptop na yun,
uy, parang lagayan ng memory.
Of course, ang unang assumption nila na bakante yon. Ngayon, may sticker pa na nakaharang doon na pag tinanggal nyo yung sticker na yon, mavo-void yung warranty. The one way to know na bakante yon is, of course, watching this video. The other way around is pupunta ka pa sa service center, tapos sa kanila sasabihin, sorry, it's already occupied by 8 gig. So, if you watch this video, at least aware ka na that slot is already occupied. Ngayon, pwede naman siya upgrade to 16 or 32, pero yun nga lang, tatanggal yung 8 gig. Now, let's proceed with the pros of this laptop, no? Ang price point nito, katulad ng sinabi ko, with all the bundles, is around 25,000. Well, yung Fantech itself is only around mga 1,000 lang yun. Diba? Sobrang mura. Yes, marami tayong sinabing pangit tungkol doon, pero imagine niyo 1,000 pesos, meron ka ng earphone, meron ka ng mouse, may mousepad ka pa, may keyboard ka pa, and then meron ka pang headphone stand. That 5-in-1 na yon, nasa around 1,000 lang. So sulit na sulit if you're in a tight budget. And then if you have a pink laptop, at bagay naman yung pink accessories na yun. Nakita nyo naman sa video eh. Nung una, medyo hesitant ako, pangit naman itong accessories ito, Fantech na to. Pero nung sinetup na, parang nainlab ako na konti. Other pros on this laptop is, well, bagay na bagay siya sa estudyante, is because of the price. Price point na to is only around mga 24,000. Okay, with the accessories, yan, pumapatak na siya 25,000. Ngayon, ito, may kasama ng Microsoft Office Lifetime. Wherein pag binili nyo yung Microsoft Office Lifetime, nasa price point din yun ng mga nasa 3,000 to 5,000. Pero libre na siya dito. So, napaka-ideal talaga ito sa mga estudyante. Ulitin ko, if you're not a pink enthusiast, meron tayong ibang colors nito. And another pros na napansin ko is, yun nga, yung color niya. As yung pagka-pink niya, no? Meron kasing pink na parang ganito, oh. Yung masakit sa mata na pink. So, ito, sobra saturation yan. Pero ito, yung pink na to is talagang pale pink, na gano'n, no? Yung white pink, gano'n.
White pink Diba may black pink? Oh, white pink.
Ayan lang. So, for those customers na nakabili na dito, nakabili na ng unit na to, you can actually comment dyan sa natin para dun sa mga bagong customers. Para at least aware sila dun sa binibili nila. So, panoorin muna nila yung video na to bago nila bilhin. At least, nakatulong tayo, no? So, I think nasabi ko na lahat ng tungkol dito sa unit na to. If you are a pink enthusiast, if you have a friend na pink enthusiast, share nyo tong video na to sa kanya. Baka makatulong ito. Okay, so, ayun lang. So, maraming salamat for staying this long. A like and a subscribe will be much appreciated. So, then again, this is Tito Dustin. Thank you, and see you on our next video. Bye-bye.